back to my channel. It's Ariana. In today's video, I'm going to be doing... I need water. It's really early, so I still have morning voice right now. So in today's video, we're going to be doing something that, in my opinion, is so long overdue. I'm going to be unboxing my new handbag. I have had this for like quite a while now, probably like more than a month. I wanted to use the bag a little bit before I sit down and talk to you guys about what I think about it, because how would I know what the bag is like if I didn't actually get to put it to use? I am super annoying, and I did like repackage everything. I put it all back in the like box, dust bag, everything, and I do save these things just because if I were to ever resell the bag, this would help it sell, as well as the authenticity card and the receipt of purchase. I did get this at a Fendi boutique in Saks Fifth Avenue in Boston, Massachusetts. It was in the Prudential Center, if you know about that area, so that is where I got this. And parking there is a nightmare, I must say, but I'm just gonna jump right into the bag and my pros and cons about it. Yeah, I'm just going to be unboxing or re-unboxing this handbag, so I'm very excited. My cat might come and say hello. He's walking over here right now. Do you want to come say hi? Hello. So cute. Okay, we are just going to jump right into it now. So it came in this ginormous Fendi bag, which is kind of crinkled now, but I've had it for a while, so that's why. And then inside it is just in a box, which is like very durable, and it also had like stuffing inside of the actual bag, but I wasn't gonna do that. That was drawing the line for me. Yeah, we're just going to open this. We're in a weird filming spot today because the sun in my apartment it's around like 8 a.m. right now, so the sun is like really bright in here, and I didn't know where to put the camera without the sun being directly on my face. It came with this little, as I throw it everywhere, so this is the receipt. The person who sold the bag to me was Francisco Rincon. He was so sweet. I talked to him on the phone the day before and asked them to hold the bag for me because I didn't even know if they would have had it. Now getting into the actual bag. It's already wanting to make an appearance. This is the bag. I will put the actual style of this bag on the screen because I do not know it off the top of my head. When I do videos like this, I like to be really transparent about the price and what I paid. So this bag was $12.90, I believe. With the tax, it was around like $13.80 or something around those numbers. The tax did bring it up a little bit, which I completely forgot about, and then I was like, whoa, but it still wasn't bad for a Fendi bag. It is in the coated canvas, so it does have the leather all around and then the leather like on the front right here, and I think it is just so beautiful in their classic FF Zucca print. I love it so much, and I love bags that can be converted. So this one, I for the most part wear it under the arm like that, but it can also be worn like this, like crossbody, just regular old Maybach crossbody, which I like the option in case I don't want to have to be like constantly pulling the strap up, holding it like a mini bag. So I am in love with this bag. It was such a good purchase. I do have my Chanel bag, which was my everyday bag, but I think this one is so much more versatile for every day, and I'm gonna treat the Chanel as more of a occasion wear bag, which I'm still gonna, if my outfit would look cute with a Chanel bag, I'm gonna throw on that bag. But this, if I'm wearing like a super simple outfit, like I wear this black t-shirt so much, it's from And Other Stories, but if I'm wearing a really simple outfit, I love to just throw this on, and I like the monogram print. I just think it adds something to an outfit. And one con that is really bugging me, but I mean, it's a bag, things are gonna happen. So the way to open the bag is you have to pull this circle part up, and it's like which is, it's good that it's hard to open because nothing will fall out. No one can like open your bag and steal something, but it's kind of, you can definitely tell on camera, it's kind of like making the front part like stick up a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna be like permanently like that, but I can just like kind of bend it backwards and it's fine. But this is what the, let me take my cards out. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. And one thing I thought was weird, but I looked at other reviews of this bag and it was the same. It has the Fendi logo on the inner pocket, which I just like wasn't expecting. I was expecting it to be like right there, which it's not a big deal, but I just remembered I have this, so maybe this says the, oh my god, this has the actual name on it. So it's called the Mini Double F Tess bag. Editing me, remember to put that in. It said it was produced in 2019, and I do know that this isn't a new in bag like this season, but it's one of their permanent collection bags, I think, and it's a pretty good size for it only being $12.90, because a lot of Fendi's bags are in the 3,000 range, 2,000 range, which for me is just a little bit out of budget, and it makes sense because those bags are all leather and most of the time like embossed with the print, which this is just like a coated canvas. But this actually works better for me because I find that it's more durable. If it's raining out, I'm not like, oh my god, my bag, something's gonna happen to my bag. So I just love this. It's a little loud because it's chain straps, but that's to be expected if you have a bag that is just like, it's gonna be loud, you know? So I'm not mad about that. Like I mentioned, I have worn this bag pretty much every single day since I got it, and I just like really think that I'm gonna get my cost per wear out of this bag. I love it. You guys know I have a thing for luxury bags, and I love the idea of wearing a sustainable thrifted outfit or an outfit from Buffalo Exchange and then throwing on a designer handbag or a pair of designer shoes, and it really just like brings the look together and elevates it. I feel like I could be crazy, who knows what I'm talking about, but I'm obsessed with this and it was such a great purchase for me. There really isn't much else to say about this bag. I just did want to show you guys because I love her so much, and it was an investment piece. But things like this I want to buy to maybe one day, far in the future, give to my daughter or just like pass on, and I just love having pieces like this in my closet. So I don't think this would be a bag that I would resell, even though I am keeping all of these things. I do have a couple that I kind of want to get out of my closet, like a Prada one, and I did have someone who was interested in buying it, but I was just nervous about shipping it to another country, so I just didn't want anything to happen with postage on such an expensive item. So yeah, I think this will be staying in my handbag collection for so long. It is the perfect day bag, and then it can also transition into nighttime because it's not too big. It fits my phone, it fits a wallet, it fits the keys, hair accessories. It can fit seriously so much for it being so mini, and yeah, I just adore this. I love it so much. I just like to update you guys on big purchases like this, because when I posted my Instagram picture, everyone was like, oh my god, what's the bag? Like, show us the bag. And I'm excited that I have made a video on this. I will definitely be filming a thrift haul soon. It's nice to not have every single video be a thrift haul, so I like inserting just random little videos like this one in here to switch up what I'm filming. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy videos about luxury items, fashion, thrifting, sustainability. I like doing all those things, so yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!